Hey guys, today's lesson we're going to talk about the function extension of facial recognition, how to modify feedback action when detect a humanoid face. Let's review the performance of initial program. Click to enter the LX terminal on desktop, enter comments to come to the category of against program. Then start again. We can see that program default setting is that SpiderPi will execute the greeting action when detect the face. Can we modify the feedback action greeting to stepping? Of course, you just need to modify the corresponding action group. Before that, we need to learn about action group file and the corresponding names of the action group. Firstly, open File Manager and then click SpiderPi, the action groups file which is used to save action group. Here we provide Spider action group instruction. Double-click to enter it. We will use this file later. Now, return to LX terminal and the comments to go into the game program through VI editor. You can see that the program at 95th line is the feedback action of the detecting face. Wave is the name of the grading action. You can modify it directly, but the name of action group must be consistent with the provided action group list. The action name can be found in the action group instruction. Now, press I to enter the editing mode, then modify wave to stepping. Press EXC to enter last line common mode. Input colon WQ to save the file and exit the editor. Let's look at the performance. If you want to modify to other feedback actions, set modification method to other action groups. Please note that the name of action group mustn't be entered incorrectly. Then, if you enter the action group that is customized, you have to make sure that the action group is located in the action group file. Otherwise, the action may fail to call. This is the end of the lesson. Now, please have a try.